gaps in a beehive don't always mean disaster for honeybees. As Sydney's mild winter approaches, worker bees begin sealing tiny cracks and crevices in their hives. Not with wax, but with propolis. This sticky, resinous material is collected from tree buds and bark, and its use increases as temperatures drop and dampness threatens the colony's health. It's easy to mistake propolis for a sign of trouble or neglect, but in fact, this behavior is vital. By lining cracks, bees create a draft-free, insulated space that keeps brood warm and limits moisture. A true necessity during Sydney's cool, wet spells. Propolis also contains natural antimicrobial compounds that help prevent disease when the hive is closed tight for winter. Many new beekeepers scrape away excess propolis, thinking it's just a sticky mess or unwanted debris. But removing too much can expose the colony to cold winds, moisture intrusion, and pests. If you're inspecting hives now, leave propolis where bees have placed it. Your colony's winter survival may depend on these sticky repairs. Respect the bees' work and let propolis do its job protecting the hive through the season.